What's up guys, and welcome to my channel, and it's one and only Ereshva. So bonjour once again, and guys, before starting my video, I wanted to wish you all Merry Christmas. And now you can see that I have a Christmas tree and all the things from which we can decorate our Christmas tree. So now you are thinking that in this vlog why should I have a Christmas tree and all the things? Okay, so let I tell you. So my today's vlog's topic is how to decorate Christmas tree. So yeah guys, this Christmas tree is my very favorite, and I have bought it from the online method. So you can buy it from the online method also or from the offline also. If you buy from the offline method, so you can go on the shop of the toys and you can get these things and this Christmas tree from there. Okay, so I have bought it from Amazon, and this is because I loved it, so I have bought it. It's new. So yeah, let's start our video. So here we go. This is my Christmas tree. You have seen it. It's my very favorite. So now I want to tell you that guys, these all the things for decorate our Christmas tree, I have only made it. Okay, and if you want how you made it, Ereshva, so you can comment in the comment box also that we want the video of the things you have made it. Okay, so yeah, first I want to show you all the balls. So yeah, let us show you. This is the first ball, glittery one, golden. I just love it so much. So this is my favorite one, like my Christmas tree. So one of the ball is that. One of the ball is purple and green. So let I show you all the three. It's true. I just love these. So yeah guys, I'm saying that this is ball and I have. So the next thing is the gifts, and I have many gifts. Let's see, sorry. These all gifts I have, and I have here 2 sticks of paper and one lace. Yeah, it's lace. One lace. And now I have bells. 1 bell, 2 bell, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have so many of the bells. So yeah guys, let me decorate. Woo! So yeah, let's decorate. And first thing, what? Ball. I take here ball. Yeah, ball. Now one of the bell. Guys, light I put at the last. Okay. So bell I hang here, the bell. Now what? I'm just too excited. So yeah. This. So now the next is a hockey stick. So yeah, that's it. Put it here. Yeah. It's nice. Now, what? So yeah, now I hang the gift here. Here we can. No, not there. Here. Oopsies. And now the center. I put the center in the between. Here. Yeah, it is. Nice. So yeah, guys, after decorating my Christmas tree, we'll meet. So yeah, guys, I've decorated it in my candle. So let I burn my candle. So yeah, guys, I burned my candle and I have decorated my Christmas tree. And just you are thinking that Ereshva has decorated very nice Christmas tree. So thank you to you all. And guys, please like my video, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get my all the videos notifications at the first. Yeah, so please like my video. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and don't forget to click on the like button and just comment that how was it, how was my tree, and is I decorated with the nice tree. So okay, you have to comment. So once again, Merry Christmas to all my YouTube family and bye bye. So we'll meet soon and bye bye.